So I'm taking the clasp and I'm securing this part around that bar, and then I want to get this, no, you want to keep it in there, you want to get this little piece to go into here, into this square. So simultaneously you've got that part on the bar and you want to push this firmly until you hear the snap. That way it's secure. And then you take the second clasp and this is going to have a smaller snap, but it should stay in place. Now it is a lot easier to come off because it's just a secondary clasp, but your real snap is here where you have to pull it apart. So